In this video, you learn how to hide or unhide the secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So if you ever want to hide the secure folder, it's fairly simple. What you're going to do is just tap on it to open it. Enter in the current lock type, PIN, password or pattern. And then from here, you're going to tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the secure folder, and you're going to select Hide Secure Folder. Once you've chosen that, you'll then be prompted to confirm your choice. So just tap on Hide Secure Folder, and it should disappear from the lock's home screen or from the apps drawer. Now, if you want to unhide the secure folder, then what you're going to do is just swipe down for the quick settings panel. And then from here, you should see Secure Folder. So all you need to do to unhide it is just tap on it once, enter in the current PIN, password or pattern. And now, when you navigate to the home screen or to the apps drawer, you'll see the secure folder has been successfully restored. And so that's how you can hide or unhide the secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.